Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here is an interesting functional equations. We are given f of t plus 2 equals t squared plus 8t plus 13. Our goal is to find f of t, given that the first domain here is t plus 2. How do you solve this? You can give it a try in the comment box, and I will be solving this in two different ways. So let's consider the solution, and here is the first method. Looking at the right hand side, we are given t squared plus 8t plus 13. This is a quadratic because here is the power of 2. And does this thing factorizable? This is 13 and this is 8. So this is actually not factorizable. So what we are going to do is we do some little manipulations in order to make this thing factorizable. So first is looking at this 8. So we have different numbers that we can add together or subtract together that gives us 8. But we look for the best one that will be very close to this 13 after we manipulate it. Okay. So if I write this as f of t plus 2, this equals t squared. Suppose I take this as if I take it as 6 plus 2, that is 8 multiplied by t. Then here we have let's say here is 13. So actually 6 multiplied by 2 does not give us 13, but it's very close that we can just try and manipulate this as 12 plus 1. Here we have f of t plus 2 equals t squared plus 6 multiplied by t, that gives us 6t plus, here is 2t plus, then 13 is given as 12 plus 1, because 6 multiplied by 2, this gives us 12. We can just try and bracket this only and leave 1 outside. After that, we have this remain f of t plus 2 equals, let's group this. So by grouping this, we have here as t squared plus 6t in brackets, then plus, we group this as 2t plus 12. I'm solving this problem step by step. Then this is plus 1 outside. So next we have this equals, so when we take out t from here, in this bracket we are left with t plus 6. And also for this as well, if we take out 2, we are left with t plus, if we divide this 12 by 2, that gives us 6. Then all in bracket plus 1. And next we have f of t plus 2 equals, let's combine t and 2 because we have here as t plus 6, t plus 3, that is the rule of factorizations. So we have t plus 2, then multiply by t plus 6, all in bracket. So we can just try and leave plus 1 outside. We can still leave inside the bracket. Then let's do some little manipulation. Here we have t plus 2 as the domain, but here we have t plus 2, this is t plus 6. They are not the same because I want to make everything to be the same. So which means I have to manipulate this. So therefore we have this as t plus 2 equals, in bracket, this is t plus 2, then open bracket, we can call this one t plus 2, then plus 4, all in bracket plus 1. So now I can just replace t plus 2, the whole of it, with another letter, let's say n, or if you like, we can replace it with x anyhow. So therefore we have this as f of n equals a bracket, this is n bracket, we have this as n plus 4, then plus 1. After this, we have f of n equals, open this bracket, this gives us n squared plus n times 4, that is 4n, then plus 1. This is what we have, and we can just try and replace n with just x, since we are asked to calculate t, so we can just replace it with t, and therefore we have f of t equals t squared plus 4t plus 1, where this t is a member of any real number. This is how I got the solution using the first method. How do you solve your own? You can leave the comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. Let's get into the second method. Let's solve this in another method. If I consider this as method 2 on solving the same problem given t plus 2, we kind of use another beautiful method. Let's say we apply the substitution method here instead of doing a whole lot of manipulations, just to have the left hand side and the right hand side, which is in the domain. The left hand side in the domain having the same factor as what we have at the other side. So we can just try and follow the easy way, the easiest way indeed. So you just try and replace this. If this is t plus 2, I can replace it with capital letter letter T. Then so making this one the subject of the formula, we have t equals that is capital letter T minus 2. Okay, then looking at this left hand side, we have to substitute because I need t squared. To get t squared, so we have this as t minus 2 raised to power 2, and that equals t squared minus 4t plus 4. Again, I need 8t. So for 8t, that is 8 bracket t minus 2. That gives us 8t minus 16. Then plus 13. Therefore, substituting back, we have f of, instead of t plus 2, change it to capital letter T, equals, and for t squared, that gives us t squared minus 4t plus 4. Again, we have plus 8t, whereby our 8t is given as 8 capital letter T minus 16, then plus 13, the last number, the constant. This equals, t squared is the only one that repeats here. We have it like that. Then minus 4t plus 8t, that gives us plus 4t. Then we have plus, here is 4 plus 13, that is 17, then minus 16. So we have f of t equals t squared plus 4t plus 1. And we need to get t. So by just replacing t with small letter t, we have f of t equals t squared plus 4t plus 1. We have the same answer, different methods. How do you solve your own? Another method, let's hear it in the comment box. We learn together. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.